Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Hannah, and in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort dates in chronological order in Microsoft Excel. Sorting dates can be a bit tricky, but with a few simple steps, it can be done easily. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First, make sure you are on the Home tab in Excel. Then, select the column that contains the dates you want to sort. For example, let's say we have a list of employees, and we want to sort them by the date they were first hired. Next, click on Sort and Filter, and then select Filter. This will create a drop-down box next to each column header. Click on the drop-down box next to the column containing the dates, and select Sort Oldest to Newest, or Sort Newest to Oldest, depending on your preference. Now all your dates should be sorted in chronological order. You can also copy the sorted data to a new worksheet if you like. Once you are done, don't forget to click on Sort and Filter again, and uncheck the filter box to keep the changes. I hope this brief tutorial was helpful to you. As always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.